Did you just bust your ass today? And my question to you is, why did you do it? Why'd you bust your ass? Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Sam Spataro. And my channel is devoted to helping you become your own hero. And what does that mean exactly? It means we all have that villain inside of us, that part of us that is the dream stealer, the goal stealer, it's the procrastinator, it's all those things that we always feel like we're in collision with that just don't seem very natural. And what my job has been in my life, and hopefully, I can inspire you to also, is to learn to find ways to overcome those things that really just aren't you. These are things that we have all learned. And so today I want to devote this video to, we all work hard. And there's nothing worse than working your ass off all day and coming home and just feeling like it was all for nothing. I have a coach and I recommend you get one. And one of the greatest things that has really helped me to transform what I do during the day, and maybe even just in general, like family, waking up, whatever it might be, is you always have to attach a why to it. I was up and out of the door at 5:15 today, and I feel like I have more energy today than when I wake up at 8 and I work almost the equivalent of the same hours, or maybe even just a little less. But I'm so fired up right now on a Friday and here in Ontario and the blue skies behind me, because it was my why that drove me. I faced so many obstacles at work today that would usually derail me into like anxiety or a mental funk or just really some not so great thinking. But I made it very clear today what my purpose and my mission was. When I woke up today, I knew that no matter what happened, I would feel proud, that I would also feel accomplished. And in some sick way, I would always find a way to be grateful. And so that's going to be my challenge to you in this short video today. The day's not over yet. So what can you do? What can you do to feel proud today? Maybe not even of yourself, but of someone that you work with or someone in your family. Like my daughter over here is watching me make this video. And what can you be grateful for? You guys, you cannot achieve happiness in life without first learning to be grateful. There are billionaires who are more miserable than you if you're broke and watching this. And so bring in some gratitude into your day. What can you be grateful for today? I know there's lots of people that have businesses right now that can't work because their products are coming from overseas and they're either delays or there's just shortages of materials. And so what can you be thankful for? What can you be grateful for today? And I'm going to end on that note. If you did like this video, guys, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell to help me build my channel. I would really appreciate your support. And please share this message. There's someone out there struggling, and I'm really trying to devote this channel to men who experience mental health struggles as I did years ago. And so my mission and one of my goals was, if I came out of it, that I would devote my life to helping others. And so here I am. Anyways, like I always tell my kids at the end of a long day and before they close their eyes, if you guys are going to dream today, make sure you decide to dream big and keep smiling.